Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to find the Form ID in HubSpot using the updated 2026 layout. Your Form ID is a unique identifier that HubSpot uses when you embed forms on an external website, connect them to API tools, or work with custom integrations. So first, open your browser, head to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once your main dashboard loads, we can get started. From the top navigation bar, click Marketing, and then choose Forms. This brings you to the Forms library where every form you've built inside HubSpot is stored. Use the search bar if needed or scroll until you find the form you're looking for. Then click the form name to open the form editor. Once your form is open, go to the top right corner and click the Embed button. HubSpot will now show you the embed code you can paste into your website. Inside this block of code, look for the line that says Form IE. It's usually a mix of letters and numbers separated by dashes. That line contains the exact form ID you need. Highlight it or click Copy to save the entire embed code. You can now use this form ID for custom form embeds, API calls, integrations with tools like Zapier, Make, or custom-coded forms. It's the key value that tells HubSpot which form to connect submissions to. There's also an even faster way to find the form ID. When you're inside the form editor, look at the URL in your browser. At the end of the link, right after the /forms/section, you'll see a long string of characters. That string is the form ID as well. So even without opening the embed code, you can grab the ID directly from the URL. And that's it. That's how to find the form ID in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. It's a quick process, and once you know where to look, it becomes super easy to reuse forms anywhere you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the